Studying made easier for science students. Do you ever find it overwhelming to study for a test or exam that includes countless assigned problems and textbook readings, or difficult to focus your thoughts and write a coherent lab report? Or are faced with the seemingly impossible task of applying the various mathematical theorems and concepts learned in class to assignments? This video will review a simple, cheap, and effective way to help eliminate some of these stresses. It's called the sticky note method. To prepare for a test or exam, it's helpful to read over each text, then use sticky note to create summary sentences. Assigned problems help you to understand course materials. They're also good practice for tests. Review lab reports for a test. You'll get tested on it. Make sure you arrive on time for quizzes, tests, and exam. Since extra time will not be given. Now, let's look at an example of using the sticky notes method. E equals mc squared. This is Einstein's formula of energy, where m is mass and c squared is the speed of light. When studying formula like this, you may not need to memorize the equations and constants, but instead, it's necessary to know how to use them. Now, let's look at another example. Sticky notes will be a really helpful tool for key terminology and mathematical equations. Equations like this may need to be memorized for tests if no cheat sheet is provided. To write a lab report, there are a few key things to remember. First, refer to your lab instructions to see what needs to be included in your lab report. While doing lab, you can add a sticky note for each important observations you find and arrange them to create connections for putting together the report. This method is useful for summarizing observations and results. This is a simple format for lab report, which includes 6 steps: heading, object, experiment, analysis, conclusion, and source of error. When writing an assignment, it's necessary to apply various theorems and definitions covered in class. You can create a study sheet to summarize all important concepts that need to be included in the assignment. Study sheets help you to create the overview of the material for the entire class. Try out using the sticky note method for your study, lab report, or assignment completion. The usefulness of this method depends on your creativity, so hopefully this video has sparked some ideas and made you studying easier.